As they awaken to a great deal of ID in the Bitcoin markets, people are in a panic during this episode. Don't worry at all, people. After our little dip, we told you that there would be a minor adjustment. Don't be scared. We will go over everything and talk about anything else that is going on. We experienced a massive crypto wipeout. Today is the expiration date of $14 billion worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum options. You read correctly, $14 billion with a B. Is Bitcoin's ancient death cross a cause for concern? Is Ripple associated with Jeff Bezos? Watch closely for XRP's next move, which will be historic. Stay put, people, and find out. So without further ado, sit down, relax, and let's begin. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $85,237. In the past day, it has dropped 2.58%. However, the fact that it is somewhat higher on the hourly chart is intriguing. Ethereum is now priced at $1,913, down 5.86%. Since both USDT and USDC are up from the 992 cents pegs, you can see that a lot of people have jumped over into stables. In the meantime, XRP has dropped more than 6% and is still in fourth position, finishing at a very low $2.22. All cryptocurrencies have a combined market value of $2,780,000,000. Do you need to worry? Do you have to be concerned? Are you expected to have anxiety? Options are a type of contract derivative that gives traders the right, but not the obligation to buy, call, or sell an asset at a specific price prior to its expiration. When many options expire, traders may exercise them or let them to expire worthless, which could increase buying or selling pressure. Since most options lose value at the max paying price, market makers may try to drive Bitcoin and Ethereum in that direction. Are these options therefore bearish or bullish? Well, it depends. The higher the call to put ratio, the more bullish your bets are. The market is still above the significant strike prices, and they are active. It can lead to a brief squeeze and further price hikes. If your puts or bears dominate and the price stays above the key levels, your sellers may have to purchase back, which might lead to a gain. This is referred to as liquidation and open interest. After several expirations, the market usually sees increased volatility and potential reversals. Right now, that's what we need to concentrate on. Strong Ethereum and Bitcoin holdings above significant resistance levels could portend a bullish continuation. So let's see how the rest of this week plays out, especially today. Credible cryptocurrency comes into play since a lot of people are talking about this and are worried about it because the death cross was brought up. Everyone hears the words death cross. What do they expect to occur? He says, here we go. This is also why depending only on the basic MA crosses without taking the state of the market into account could be misleading. The last two death crosses were used to identify the local bottoms prior to major rallies. There were probably a lot of accounts here complaining about a massive waste because of the death cross. We were positive at both of these bottoms because we recognized that both of those pullbacks were small corrections after big impulses with another impulse to follow, which we did. Here, Benjamin Crone talks about it. We are entering a death cross here, and we have a death cross over here. Death crosses can be seen here, over here, and back here. After each death cross, what happened? We had substantial rallies and upward pushes after the first two, as you can see. We'll refer to it as about 25,000. Our most recent one took place in the summer of 2024. After that death cross, we increased our elevation to about 65K. Then on another death cross that was about 50,000, we went up to about 108K. As a result, we can notice a slight correction that tells us if we are continuing to decrease or if a local bottom is happening. Charles Hoskin claims that he has been discussing the potential of incorporating Desire into Cardano's network with Ripple. This location is intriguing. As use increases, so does the volume of the XRP ledger. The more XRP burned, the higher the price. For those of you who don't know, Chippercash, Ripple's new partner, has a sizable investment from Bezos Expeditions, the investment company that Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, formed. Bezos took part in the Series B and C funding rounds for Chippercash. How fascinating is that? Consequently, Bezos made contributions to the Series B and Series C investments made by Chippercash. He, or Ripple, has partnered with Chippercash to provide instantaneous cross-border transfers into Africa, they revealed Monday. Moreover, XRP will be utilized. People Dr. Fender discusses why XRP will be more expensive than Ethereum and Bitcoin. He talks about it. We talk about the breakout. He talks about the rectangle that is bullish. He talks about us retracing and tapping down to the $2 area or the bottom coming in. We discussed this. The chart is this. The XRP output has remained unchanged. I would like you to understand this. For some time now, I've been talking about this correctional downturn. People on Twitter have been sending me a lot of hate and trash. Why does he have such a negative outlook? This account has changed. It has nothing to do with negativity. Instead, it's about preparing you and being accountable to my audience. It isn't true, so I don't just put charts every day that say we're rising. In order to be informed of any additional drops in the cryptocurrency markets for Bitcoin, XRP, or any other asset we cover on this channel, you should be prepared. This will assist you in avoiding being taken by surprise and impacted. That is what I would do. I have high hopes for 2025. However, as I previously stated, these charts appear to be bullshit, and we must maintain our position above $2 XRP during this decline. In actuality, throughout this decline, it is $1.90. Additionally, I constantly reminded you and showed you this chart that the range we are examining from $1.89 to $1.90, or $2.50 to be exact, is merely noise. Until we break out above $3 or below $1.90 respectively, we shouldn't worry. Until then, everything between us is just noise. Its objective is to scare the typical investor who is unfamiliar with markets and charts into dumping their investment. Don't be scared. You were told about this transfer 4 or 6 weeks ago, and I keep preaching about it. My Twitter account and channel informed you of the reversal of Bitcoin. You knew that XRP was going to be fixed. You were aware of our DA and the upcoming market-wide correction. We have been shouting that Bitcoin is between $65,000 and $75,000 for a time now. Be prepared. Whether you want to capitalize or not, you should be aware of the direction the markets are taking. Now, let's be very clear. When XRP makes its next move, it will transcend the $3 zone that we have been talking about for a long. We have tried to break out 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. When it finally breaks out, the move on XRP will be genuinely momentous. You will have spent a